What was I thinking? I'm tipsy, what was I thinking? Go and sit on the crown and meet king.